There's some people that get everything they want easily, and there's some people that it seems like they try everything but get nothing. And there's one attribute that I've noticed that plays a huge factor in the difference between people that massively succeed and the people that just stay stagnant where they're at. Because everyone has dreams and aspirations or things that they want out of life, but not everyone gets that. And there's a quote that goes, "All men dream, but not equally. Those who dream by night in the dusty recess of their minds wake in the day to find that it is vanity. But dreamers of the day are dangerous men, for they may act their dream with open eyes to make it possible." And what this tells me is that everyone has fantasies of living a better life or getting certain things, but not everyone actually dreams vividly enough and wants it bad enough to actually have that running in their mind all day. And it seems like in this day and age, most people have lost the ability to imagine. Most people go through life not thinking that they can achieve anything better, and this is what stops them from getting anything better. Because the people that you see that get massive amounts of success, they have the ability to dream like a child. They imagine vividly going throughout their day what they want from life, and this creates a burning desire in their mind, and this actually causes them to go out and get it. Even in the Bible, it says without vision, people perish. Because if you have nothing to look forward to and nothing to aim for, you're never gonna achieve anything. But what you need to understand is that there's a scale to imagining. On one end, there's people that can't see themselves do anything. And on the other end, you have people that are dreaming so big that it almost seems crazy. It seems like it's not reality. And it's the people that dream vividly that they can achieve something crazy are the ones who succeed, because they imagine it so vividly that it feels like it's a part of their life, and that's all they can think about all day, and that's what actually makes them do the actions to get that goal. Because your mind is gonna move towards what you see consistently. Every single person that you see living their dream life, it's because they imagined it thoroughly before they even got there. Because if you have a weak imagination, you're never gonna want it bad enough to actually move towards that. And if you can actually dream and imagine like kids do, this is gonna create emotion, and emotion is what drives you. And if you can create this emotion in your mind, this is what makes you relentless towards that thing, because you hold it in your mind all day, and that's what's going to make you act upon it and actually make it a reality. And this is why the average person doesn't succeed, because they have a weak imagination. They can't visualize it in their mind strong enough to make them want it badly, to pull them through all the pain and the trials that it takes to get to their dream life. And also, your brain is going to see what you want it to see. If you decide that you're gonna look for red cars, you're gonna spot out a ton of red cars. That's all you're gonna be able to see. The same way that if all you can think about is your vision for the future and what you want out of life, your brain is gonna naturally figure out how to actually achieve that, because that's staying in your mind all day, and it's gonna problem solve. That's all you're gonna think about. And it doesn't matter if you don't know how you're gonna achieve it. If you can hold the desire in your brain, you're gonna figure out the way to do it, because it's gonna be all you think about. So your brain is gonna problem solve for it. If you're hungry, you're gonna figure out how to get food. The same way that if you want something bad enough, you're eventually gonna figure out how to do it, because that's all your brain is gonna think about. I hear a lot of people complaining about not knowing where to start or what business to do, but if succeeding is genuinely the only thing that you thought about all day, you're gonna start reading books, you're gonna start searching how to do it, and this is actually gonna force your brain to come up with creative solutions so that you can achieve your goals. So if you feel like you're stuck, you need to learn to imagine again. You need to get that childlike ability to really visualize and dream. You should be able to feel it so thoroughly that you literally get goosebumps thinking about it in the morning. So don't lose that childlike ability to dream, because that's what's gonna cause you to go out there and make it a reality.